Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for adventurers and creators alike, the GoPro HERO11 Black Mini Waterproof Action Camera Bundle. We found this fantastic product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes the GoPro HERO11 Black Mini stand out. This compact action camera packs a powerful punch with its ability to record in stunning 5.3K Ultra HD video and capture sharp 24.7MP photos. It features a 1/1.9-inch image sensor that enhances image quality, allowing you to capture pro-level shots and videos no matter where your adventures take you. One of the most impressive aspects of this camera is its hypersmooth 5.0 image stabilization. This feature ensures that your footage remains smooth and steady, even in the most challenging conditions. With the added horizon lock technology, your videos will always be perfectly aligned, giving your content a cinematic quality that's hard to beat. The HERO11 Black Mini is designed for versatility. It comes equipped with two sets of folding mounting fingers, which allow you to easily attach it to helmets, bikes, or handheld grips. This means you can quickly change your camera's position as needed, enhancing your filming experience. Operating the camera is a breeze, just press the shutter button, and you're ready to capture your moments. Connectivity is also a highlight of this action camera. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, you can automatically upload your footage and even send highlight videos directly to your devices. This feature is perfect for content creators who want to share their adventures on social media without the hassle of transferring files manually. Now, let's talk about its practical applications. The GoPro HERO11 Black Mini is waterproof up to 33 feet, making it an excellent choice for water sports enthusiasts, snorkelers, or anyone who loves capturing action in or around water. Whether you're surfing, kayaking, or just splashing around at the beach, this camera is built to handle it all without needing additional housing. For those who enjoy outdoor adventures like hiking, biking, or skiing, the HERO11 Black Mini is an indispensable tool for documenting your experiences. Its compact size means it won't weigh you down, and you can easily fit it in your pocket or backpack. Plus, the ability to record 2.7K video at 240 frames per second allows you to create stunning slow-motion clips that capture every thrilling detail of your activities. This camera is also perfect for travel enthusiasts who want to document their journeys in high quality. With its improved image sensor, you can zoom in, crop shots, and switch digital lenses without losing rich textures and sharpness. The HERO11 Black Mini is designed to meet the needs of both casual users and serious filmmakers, making it a versatile addition to any gear bag. In summary, the GoPro HERO11 Black Mini Waterproof Action Camera Bundle is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to capture high-quality video and photos in a compact, user-friendly package. Its advanced features, including hypersmooth stabilization and water resistance, make it suitable for a wide range of activities and environments. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.